Russia is all set to supply gas and energy through the Yamal Europe pipeline. Earlier, Russia's Gazprom, had stopped supplying gas to many of the European countries and pipelines were shut down. Yamal Europe pipeline was also one of those pipelines which had stopped supplying energy. At that point of time, Russia had said that there were technical issues, technical glitches in the pipeline, which is why they had to stop. But the actual reason was it was due to the Ukraine war, when Europe had boycotted Russia, because European countries depend heavily on Russian gas, but gradually they moved on to other alternatives. Some are taking it from European, some are taking it from North African countries, some are looking out for other options, but they are managing, the European countries are managing. Now, there are some small countries like Moldova which heavily depend on Russian gas, and Russia is their only go-to supplier from where they buy energy. But supply was stopped to Moldova also. At that time, Russia had cut off the supply. Moldova had not said that they would not buy, but Russia had stopped. Other major European economies had refused to buy gas from Russia, but not the smaller ones, because they depend heavily and they cannot do without the Russian gas. But now Russia has come forward offering their services, saying that energy supply is being resumed at the Yamal gas pipeline, and this is being done because Europe is suffering from heavy energy crisis, and if Russia does not supply gas to the European countries, the European economy will crumble. True, European economy is largely dependent on Russia, but they have already opted for options, better options, because they have boycotted Russia. But whether they will start taking gas from Russia again or not is something that is not known at this point of time. Russia says they will supply. But the big question is, will European countries, especially the big economies, Germany, France, will they take it from Russia or not? In the coming days, we'll see how much of the gas supply is being given to the major as well as the small economies. Most of the bigger economies have moved on to other alternatives for the harsh winters. But let's see how things unfold from here. Stay updated.